Get ready for a news blast. Chelsea is reeling from a historic financial blow. Meanwhile, a titan of technology finds themselves in serious hot water over their company's practices. Plus, a sports icon is staring down a career-defining moment that could change everything we know. And finally, a nation is on the brink of an unprecedented political shift that could reshape the global landscape. This is news, and you don't want to miss a second. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.
Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Chelsea's record-breaking financial fallout. In a stunning turn of events, Chelsea Football Club has officially announced the biggest pre-tax loss in Premier League history, a staggering £262 million for the 2024-25 financial year. This massive deficit shatters the previous record held by Manchester City and comes despite the club generating a remarkable £490.9 million in revenue, their second highest total ever. The Blues secured victories in the UEFA Conference League and Club World Cup, finishing fourth in the league, yet the financial red ink flows deep. This situation raises critical questions about the club's long-term financial strategy under the ownership of Behdad Eghbali's Clearlake Capital and Todd Boehly's consortium, especially after spending over £1 billion on players since 2022. The club insists they remain compliant with financial regulations, including profit and sustainability rules, but UEFA has already fined them and is closely monitoring their spending. Concerns are also mounting about the aging Stamford Bridge Stadium and its capacity compared to rivals, potentially impacting future revenue streams under new squad cost ratio rules. Audience impact. Football finance expert Kieran Maguire has voiced concerns, questioning if Chelsea is more of a hedge fund experiment than a traditional club, and highlighting the critical need for Champions League qualification to offset revenue disparities. Fans and analysts alike are scrutinizing the club's financial disclosures, with many awaiting the full accounts to be published at Companies House. But how does this financial storm compare to other major shakeups in the league? And what's brewing in the world of tech that has everyone talking? Tech CEO under fire. In the fast-paced world of innovation, a prominent tech CEO is now facing intense scrutiny and calls for accountability. Reports have surfaced detailing allegations of questionable business practices and ethical concerns surrounding the company's data handling and market dominance. Sources suggest that regulatory bodies are launching investigations into potential antitrust violations and the misuse of user information. This situation could have significant repercussions not only for the CEO's personal reputation, but also for the future trajectory of their influential company, potentially leading to hefty fines and forced structural changes. The tech giant, known for its groundbreaking products, now finds itself at a crossroads, with its leadership team scrambling to address the mounting crisis and reassure investors and the public. Audience impact. Tech enthusiasts and consumer advocacy groups are closely watching, with discussions trending online about data privacy and corporate responsibility. Analysts are divided on the potential impact, with some predicting a major disruption and others believing the company has the resilience to weather the storm. While one industry leader faces challenges, another's legacy is being cemented in the annals of sports history. Next up, we delve into a moment that has the sports world holding its breath. Athletes' defining moment. A legendary figure in the sports arena is standing at a critical juncture, facing a career-defining moment that could etch their name even deeper into history or signal a poignant shift. After years of unparalleled success and breathtaking performances, this athlete is preparing for an event that carries immense pressure and possibility. Whether it's a championship match, a pivotal competition, or a significant announcement, the outcome is poised to have profound implications for their legacy and the future of their sport. The anticipation is palpable as fans and rivals alike await the unfolding of this momentous occasion, a true test of skill, resilience, and determination. Audience impact. The sports community is buzzing with speculation and support, with fan forums alight with predictions and tributes. Pundits are analyzing every angle, debating the potential impact on the athlete's career and the broader landscape of their sport. Will this athlete rise to the occasion and cement their legendary status? And across the globe, a nation is grappling with a political earthquake that could change everything. Nation on the brink of political shift. The political landscape of a nation is on the verge of an unprecedented transformation as citizens prepare to cast their votes in a highly anticipated election. This pivotal moment comes after a period of intense debate and societal change, with key issues such as economic reform, social justice, and international relations dominating the discourse. The outcome could signal a dramatic departure from established policies, ushering in a new era of governance and potentially reshaping the country's role on the global stage. International observers are keenly watching, recognizing the far-reaching implications of this democratic exercise for regional stability and global affairs. Audience impact. Citizens are actively engaged in political rallies and online discussions, expressing a wide range of hopes and concerns for the future. Global markets and diplomatic circles are closely monitoring the situation, anticipating potential shifts in foreign policy and economic strategies. This election could indeed mark a new chapter for the nation and the world. But before we go, let's recap the biggest stories that shook the news cycle today. And that's a wrap on today's explosive news. Chelsea faces historic financial losses, a tech CEO is under fire, a sports legend is at a career-defining moment, and a nation stands on the precipice of major political change. Don't miss our next broadcast. Make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell turned on so you never miss an update. Like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and follow us on all social media platforms for more. See you next time.